Hey, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Stealing from the Greats, where I break down the best subscription signups out there in the wild, wild world of the internet. And we look at the best do's and don'ts we can find from these cutting edge websites. And today we're looking at KiwiCo. And as I was kind of talking last time, I'm going to try a framework for this Stealing from the Greats episode that is going to function around or look at two different aspects of the website. The drivers that the website tries to convey, the drivers to click further, to take the next step, to engage with the website, and also what are the barriers. And we are going to look at three specific drivers: brand drivers, product drivers, and trust drivers. And then on the barrier side, we're going to look at functionality, functional barriers, and information and navigation barriers. So, or structure of information or navigational barriers. So let's just jump straight into it. And I am on their KiwiCo's homepage, and KiwiCo is an enriching science and art project thing delivered. KiwiCo, big crate box for kids, different crafts and projects. But let's just take it for with a fresh set of eyes and see what is it that they do. I do like first of all, their homepage banner, the largest piece. They got a little hero image here of a girl having a fun time with some sort of a science project, and it's kind of, and I think that's cool. So that works for me. And then you go, okay, well, there's no telling what a KiwiCo kid can do. And right away, it tells me the brand benefit and the brand driver. And it's excitement, it's the unknown, it's kind of wonder, childlike wonder and curiosity that they're trying to convey with their brand. And okay, well, what is it actually? And the subheader is seriously fun and enriching science and art projects delivered. So they are telling you right away, it's a delivered crate, and they're doing science and art. So basically, it's like if you want your kids to have serious fun with either science or art, are they left brain or the right brain? We'll deliver it all, and your kids will love it. And then call to action is get a crate. Okay, so you instantly know that it's a crate. Honestly, I think this is cool. This is really, really well done. I think the brand benefits delivered quite well. I wonder if it's, and maybe this could be just me speculating now because I'm not seeing this too often, but wouldn't it be more tactile and identifiable if it said something like, there's no telling what your kid could do with KiwiCo, or maybe that would be like, oh, well, what can't your kid do with KiwiCo? Maybe with kids, it's a little harder because it's a very sensitive topic, and you can take it very personally if somebody tells you that this will do something for your kid. So perhaps hitting too close to home. I don't know, but I think that's your kid will do better with KiwiCo. That's a hard, or your spark curiosity with KiwiCo for your kid, something like that. I would like a more personalized, and I think you can. It's a tough thing to nail, that positioning statement, to be so individualized and personalized. But customers should be able to see it in their life. Okay, and then again, the subheader is a little more crates delivered to your door. Clearly. Okay. We got the sticky nav, which everybody should have a sticky nav. They're localizing it to me in Canada, so I know I am eligible and I'm available for whatever they're selling. Great. They're telling me right away on the top. I haven't actually seen a lot of sticky banners at the top. Get a newsletter, so sign up for the email, trade us an email, we'll give you 30% off. And I do like that the email box is right in the sticky header. That's I would imagine they get a lot of uptake on these guys. But you can't close it off, and that's what we'll do. So from brand standpoint, great. I already am bought in. Then they go into visual a visual mosaic here showing you a whole bunch of different examples, visual examples of previous products. So again, brand benefit. Now they're showing you product benefit. And product benefits can be things like diversity. And just, they do look seriously fun. Like they look well thought out and well designed and very different. Then they go into the trust driver. And the trust driver is the setting the stage for how it works. And basically, or setting the stage for the customer of, hey, here's exactly what you need to know about how our company functions. So you pick a line, we offer, and I do like the highlighted, pick a line, delivered monthly, seriously fun. So if you want to skim, you can skim and understand the benefit, but also we offer projects at every age and interest. First of all, qualifying, pick a line, select the products that are right for you. Choose your plan, ships in 2 days. Okay, that's good to know. International shipping 7 to 14. Cancel, pause, or cancel anytime. Again, trust drivers. How this works. I'm still haven't seen anything on pricing, but cancel anytime, pause or cancel anytime. That's good. Learn more about shipping. If you have a question, they're actually taking you to a separate page, which is you kind of go, I don't know. I'd rather it be a pop-up so it doesn't take me that far, but it's okay. It's okay for people to interact with your website, to go onto a different page. It's good to have links. It's good to have people, to let people navigate a site. And then seriously fun. Basically, let people, one of the barriers we'll talk about is not letting people find the information they need. And that will definitely cause churn. And frustration. Well, frustration and then churn. Okay, then they go to, here's a fantastic brand driver, a little bit of product driver, a little bit of trust driver, and then they go, okay, let's just let you do your thing. And then it is busy, this page. There's a lot of colors and stuff going on, and one bit of feedback that I would give them is like, because it's a product for kids, it doesn't mean that the kids are surfing the website, right? You don't have to go in and throw in all these different colors, because it is very stimulating. Yes, for a child, but for an adult, if I'm just looking to make, like, I'm not going to play with the toys. I want to make a financial decision for my kid. Yes, but it looks like fun. Got me convinced. So find the perfect crate, monthly deliveries. Okay, every age, and then they do provide you very lovely ability to find the perfect crate for you. Again, information you want to find easily. I do love that these are, they do have basically two filtering stages where you can find, for example, exactly what you're looking for. And I'm looking for science and tinkering for young kids. Awesome. Look at this stuff. Well, KiwiCo Crate, this kind of looks, whatever. But it does look cool. Allow you to compare crates, and there's a lot of functionality here, and I do actually love that quite a bit. Pick 2 or 3 crates. Well, how would I do that? Okay, compare these two and compare. Oh boy, look at that. Oceans. How awesome is that? So now they have identified at some point that customers are overwhelmed with the number of choices that they have. So they go like, well, okay, so we got 8 different crates. Who are we doing this for? So we got to simplify this process. We got to go, okay, let's go, or no, they haven't even, no, 8. So they want to be able to let you find the right information. And again, with product selection, product differentiation is key choosing between products. So price differences, feature differences, delivery time differences, servicing differences. Make sure that those are accessible side by side, or you can easily tell between the two products. So again, this is a good thing, a good hint for your collection page. But fundamentally, this is different plans. This is different products. The plan is always going to be the same. Of monthly, month to month, cancel anytime. Okay, looking for individual projects and packs. If they're looking for one-off, so they have a little more about products. I do like that you can. So right on their homepage, that just one click away, they have this massive. I do wish these images were a little bigger, but they do have this massive feature benefit breakdown, hands-on fun, creative learning. So creative learning, why does that matter? That's the benefit. The feature is high quality materials, kid-friendly instructions. Awesome. World of content. And I do think it's interesting that they focus, the headers are the benefits, and the features are the subheaders or the paragraphs, the small text. Eye-opening, kid-friendly information that encourages appreciation for the world and cultures. And new cultures, explore globally. So cool. And then obviously a big call to action. A couple of suggestions here that might be relatable, but I do wish, so these can't be clicked. And I do wish that these were, they seem cool. And I mean, they seem descriptive enough. Now, how much is this? How much is this is the question here. So then you scroll down and you have, a little bit of trust and social proof. You have 25 million crates. I'm kind of surprised that 1,000 hours design testing every crate. I am surprised kind of that this is smaller. This could be bigger. Innovation Factory, this is their emphasis on science, I would imagine. This is kind of, hey, this is science designed. World needs big ideas, start small, cute. Again, brand driver, trust symbol, product drivers. Here we go, 27,000 reviews, 4.7 stars. Sounds like they got some kind of a good product. And finally, you made it to the bottom of the page. Now they tell you it's $21, starting at $21 CAD. That sounds like a no-brainer. And then if you haven't found the questions you're looking for, let's put some FAQs. Let's put an FAQ on the bottom. Awesome. Good for them. And then again, questions, a live chat. I'm sure that, and then a more broken down help center here. Yes, I would imagine they get a lot of interaction on these sites. So 2137 doesn't sound like a crazy idea. So what are they doing here? Okay, well, they're putting us into a funnel right away. So I'm starting to realize more and more that as you have a home, basically in the subscription sign up, because you have to convey so much information about the brand, the product, the policies and the pricing and the subscription timelines. It's hard to do it with just 1 page or 2 pages or 3 pages. And how do you take somebody down a 3-4 page path? You have to have a very tight, limited page that serves information in a very bite-sized manner that people feel like they're making progress. That's why you have these kind of cookie crumb progression bars, and they are only asking you for a couple of things. So we'll go like this. How old is your Andre? Well, he's a little older, but in some moments he's probably 2 to 4. When is Halloween? 90 birth year. Oh no. Oh, well, okay. You know what? 2019. And then again, so they are feeding you and asking you after they have sold you on this big, beautiful idea of what the product you're getting is. They already sold you what this policy is and what the product is. I was kind of surprised to see that there was no pricing. Price wasn't shown right away, because it was because you can go back. Actually, I'll back out this funnel. Come on, and you could have gotten a crate from here. And I don't think these would have told you how much it is. Get a Eureka crate, right? And that's asking for a lot. Like, this is brave of them to do that. When is Andre's birthday? Okay, so they have personalized also. Here we go. So finally, down 3 steps down the line. I would imagine there's probably a lot of people who churn out here. I would like this pricing info to be available a little sooner. But by now, they got your email. And that's important, because now you can go into welcome flow, they can remarket to you, and so on and so forth. And always on the bottom, they're going to have a little button that helps you with questions if you have questions. So overall, love it. Let's go with that. And this is probably going to be the checkout page. Okay, perfect. The summary page and the checkout that allows me to do some simple sign-ons. Overall, great. Fantastic functionality. Drivers, very, very clear. Product drivers, very, very clear. Features and benefits. Trust symbols right in your face, almost right in your face, about 25 million copies. I would love it if they were a little further up here, probably before they jump into even the product, but could also be in here too. Right after the brand benefit. So overall, love it. Great one to take note of. But remember, all of this takes time and god awful lot of money to build it like this. And so it's that smooth and that beautiful and personalized to your brand. So keep that in mind. I hope this was insightful, and we'll see you next week. Actually, I'm taking next week off.